So today we're going to talk about low pressure versus high pressure systems and the difference in between them. So let's jump into it with a review of barometric pressure. If you remember, barometric pressure was the weight of the atmospheric gases on the Earth, and pressure went up the closer you were to sea level, and then the higher in elevation you went, the lower the pressure went. If you were to climb a mountain, that weight of holding the gases down like oxygen doesn't exist anymore. It gets less and less. So that brings us to low pressure and high pressure systems and what they have to do with weather. So a low pressure system is when the air in the atmosphere is rising and it's heated, so it goes up, and when the air goes up, you know that wind has to then come in and then push in. So when air goes up, the pressure of that system goes down. The higher it goes, the less pressure it has. So the low pressure system sits up here, and when it sits up here, all that that wind pushes in to the area. When it pushes in, it brings with it storms and clouds, lots of wind, and that's basically what we have right now. That wind and rain and storms. There's a low pressure system that's been sitting over Southern California for a few days, and that's bringing the weather that we have now. On the flip side, you have a high pressure system. In a high pressure system, you've got not what we have now. You've got the cool air sinking down, and when it sinks down, that pressure then raises up. Remember, pressure goes up the closer that it gets to sea level. So the air pressure goes up, that barometric pressure goes up, and that wind is forced outward. With a high pressure system, you get fair weather, you get sunny skies, and you get mild temperatures. That's typically what we have. We typically have a high pressure system that sits off the coast of California and keeps our temperatures normal. But for right now, this low pressure system has blown in, and that's what gives us the weather we have right now. So to recap, don't forget, barometric pressure is the weight of those gases on the Earth, and we have barometric pressure rise the closer you are to sea level, and lower the higher up as far as altitude that you go. So when barometric pressure drops, air is going up, wind and bad weather comes in, and a low pressure system, that's that red L, is all of that pushing itself in, all that bad weather, the storms, and that can exist for a little bit, and then it blows out and it's moved away by a high pressure system. That's when cool air sinks, air pressure goes back up, and you get sunny skies, fair weather, and everything that we hope to see again soon. All right, that's it for today.